Hi, I am Shikha. I am from Lucknow and I have been practicing naturopathy since 23 years. Today, I am going to give presentation on nature's 5 elements. The one is air therapy. Air is the second most important elements of 5 major elements like space, Akash, earth, Prithvi, water, Jal, air, Vayu and fire, Agni. Air therapy is referred to as naturopathic cure where fresh air is used for the treatment. We cannot live without air for long as well as we suffocated or say just 1 minute without air and we start feeling breathlessness. Our daily air intake is 7 times the food we eat or the water we drink. Breathing fresh air is highly important as it relates to more than 100 muscles and essential for good health. This is the picture of air therapy. You can see the air breathing is essential for everybody. Air therapy is crucial in achieving overall well-being. Air therapy is a treatment modality in naturopathy where the body is exposed to fresh air. Air treatment restores the body's natural power and good energy, thus de-stressing it. The body responds well to a 20-minute air bath every day, which is very essential. Adding a workout and a cold massage to it increase its effectiveness. It is an important factor in boosting the efficiency of air therapy, restoring the body's natural power and good energy, which is crucial to its success. It's help stimulate the body and strengthen its capillaries. Benefits of air therapy. We are going to give some benefits, giving you, for example, benefits of air therapy. Air therapy shows positive effects on heart health as more oxygen is pumped to heart muscle. Deep breaths could prolong lifespan. Enhance the health of other body organs such as lungs, abdomen, diaphragm, kidneys, also pancreas. Improve the digestive system and keeps laziness at bay. Aids in taking toxins out of the body, thus improving immunity. Here is the picture of air therapy techniques. We are going to elaborate you therapies like air bath therapy, breathing therapy, diaphragmatic breathing, thoracic breathing, clavicular breathing, seesaw breathing. The first one is air bath. Nature has a lot in store for all. It not only nourishes but even cures. Air baths is of the most basic health-giving gifts provided by nature. Air bath, commonly known as morning walk, is one of the basic therapies of traditional naturopathy that is highly beneficial if one connects with nature as well as breathes deeply while walking in fresh air. Air intake or morning walk is a type of air bath. It is a procedure that cleans the body's internal and external components. The body benefits from this activity on bare skin or with minimal clothing. Additionally, breathing is crucial for healthy skin pores. Though the pores also breathe. As the skin pores are constricted by tight clothing, wearing a tight dress always makes our body appear pale, causing indigestion, difficulty breathing, gas and diabetes. Now again there is a picture of air bath morning walk. You can see the happiness of the face of this lady. Now come to the objective of air bath. Air bath involves the exposure of the body to the swirling currents of moving air, which enables cool air currents to stimulate the skin capillaries by constricting and extending them. As the skin cools, pores and surface capillaries first contracts, following which warm blood rushes to the surface, causing dilation of pores and capillaries, thus generating warming the skin. The mechanism not only exercises the skin pores, blood vessels as well as glands, but at the same time strength, enhanced skin circulation, oxidation and removal at the same time. Importantly, an air bath that produces chill without reactive warming is weakening rather than strengthening. Going towards much more benefits of air bath: cleanses deeply, tones skin, plays a vital role in respiration, blood circulation as well as excretion, promotes positive thoughts, thus improving mental health, strengthen muscles, increased intake of fresh air, improves blood purification and proper blood supply to the heart, hardly pressurizes the heart and healthy for all. Walking on dew-drenched grass improves eyesight. The two major factors to always be aware on in this concern the air temperature and the person's level of vitality. Less is often more in the case of weak, ill, elderly or very young individual. So you have to concern about this. Now come to second, breathing. Breathing is not just a process of intake or outthrow of air by the body, but the systematic approach to keep fit and healthy. Thus, breathing need to be focused. The direct method of bringing air into the body is through breathing. An element of air treatment is the art of how it is be performed. The different breathing techniques include abdominal breathing, thoracic breathing, clavicular breathing, thoraco-abdominal breathing like yogic breathing. So, again there is a beautiful picture of breathing. Let's understand the abdominal breathing. Each time individuals take a breath, the diaphragmatic muscle, a muscle wall that divides the chest from the stomach and is crucial to breathing, because when it contracts, the thoracic expands, expanding the lungs, constrict the space in a stomach activity. When individuals eat, their stomach inflates, which is why this is frequently referred to as belly breath or abdominal breathing or deep abdominal breathing. Involves deep breathing through the abdomen. For this, firstly sit in a meditative pose, completely relaxing the body. Now place the right hand on the abdomen. Inhale such that right hand moves outward, and finally exhale such that right hand moves in. Avoid expanding chest or moving shoulders. So you can do and practice it regularly in between whole day or time to time. Next come to thoracic breathing. If a diaphragm does not relax upon inhalation, the chest must open up and allow the lungs to receive air that has been smelled. This breathing technique is a proper method of practicing Ashtanga yoga. It is uncommon to set this breathing pattern as standard. Involves deep breathing through the chest. For the firstly sit in a meditative posture. relaxing the entire body and breathing normally. Now focusing on chest motion, inhale slowly, expanding the rib cage and feeling the movement of each rib. Means you have to concern about your breathing, conscious breathing. The chest muscle also feel the rib cage contract, focusing air out of the lungs. Now let's understand the clavicular breathing. Most individuals are unaware of the space of lung occupies. This breathing method involves filling the top part of the lung with air when air is inhaled. Clavicular collarbone rise is the advanced step of thoracic breathing. For the firstly sit in a meditative posture, relaxing the entire body, starting with thoracic breathing. Inhale, extending the ribs. Once fully expanded, inhale a little more, allowing the shoulder and collarbone to move up slightly. Now exhale slowly, first releasing lower neck, upper chest and then rest of rib cage. Now let's understand the thoraco-abdominal breathing, yani yogic breathing. Is a combination of all three, abdominal, thoracic and clavicular, and used in most pranayama. As you inhale, firstly the abdomen expand, then rib cage, chest and finally collarbone and shoulders move up. Now exhale, relaxing lower neck and upper chest first, followed by contracting the rest of rib cage and finally contracting the abdomen. Benefits of thoraco-abdominal breathing are: first one, gains control on the breath, rectifies faulty breathing habits, increases oxygen intake, relaxes the nerves during stress or anger. So you can see it will be benefit mental stress, maintaining mental stress also. Now again you can see a picture which is yogic breathing like Anulom Vilom, Bhramari, deep breathing, Ujjayi Pranayama. These all are the practice of breathing techniques. Under the breathing techniques, proper breathing techniques. One must inhale through nose, as small hairs and mucous membrane present in the nose filter air before it enters the body. Both chest and abdomen out to move in sequence. Movement of chest alone indicates shallow breathing and improper use of lower part of lungs. Benefits of 10 minutes of breathing exercise includes: it promotes natural breathing, stimulates energetic powers, enhances immunity, beneficial for asthmatic, diabetes as well as obsessed people, fights against gastric problem, indigestion, constipation, etc. Now come to the respiration. As air treatment involves breathing, it aids better respiration by strengthening the respiratory system. The breathing exercises to increase and improve the efficiency of lungs as oxygen intake is facilitated and carbon dioxide is expelled. It benefits not only lungs but also skin. Let's understand the blood circulation benefits. The body's blood circulation is improved through air therapy, boosting the blood's ability to carry oxygen and improving body performance. The body receives better operational support with more fresh air. Next benefit, reduces body's toxins. It helps detoxify and remove dangerous poisons and waste from our bodies through air treatment. toxins are expelled from the body through sweating, improving the skin and physical health. Glowing skin, another benefit. By removing toxins from body, air treatment heals the body in many different ways. The clogged skin pores are unclogged, allowing waste to escape and encouraging radiant and healthy skin. Another benefit is improved mood. The best mood altering treatment is getting some fresh air. Inhalation of fresh air relieves tension, refreshes the mind and body, and provides lightness and relaxation. It helps de-stress, a common reason individuals opt for vacations in hill station. As you know, everything has many side effects or positive effects. So, let's understand the side effects of air therapy. In general, air therapy is a secure procedure. Rare complications do occur and there are considerable risks involved with the treatment. It may cause fluctuations in air pressure and can cause middle ear damage, such as fluid leakage and eardrum rupture. It may lead to deafness or temporarily vision problem brought on by transient alterations in the eye lenses. Too much oxygen in the central nervous system can cause seizures, an uncontrollable abrupt electrical imbalance in brain, also called oxygen toxicity. Although rare, fire can occur due to the oxygen-rich environment of the treatment chamber. It reduces blood sugar level in people with diabetes receiving insulin treatment. Now, some more precautions you have to learn. People with increased blood pressure, hyperacidity, stomach ulcers or hernias, where the position of organ elongates through the cavities wall and misplaced, should not do these exercise. Pregnant women should also avoid air therapy. Breathing exercise should be avoided. People who undergo surgery too should avoid these exercise for at least 6 months. Air therapy is advantageous when practiced with morning cold rub and exercises. To benefit from air therapy, you will likely need more than one session based on your medical condition. Reach out to the naturopath air therapist for better guidance. Now come to the second part of air therapy is CPAP. What is it? Continuous positive air pressure. Machine is one of the most common treatment for sleep apnea, which is very common now these days. It keeps your airways open while you sleep so you can receive the oxygen you need. CPAP machines can significantly improve sleep quality and reduce your risk for a number of health issues, including heart disease and stroke. What is CPAP machine? A CPAP machine, continuous positive airway pressure machine, helps treat sleep apnea. This device delivers continuous air through your mouth and nose to help keep your airways open while you sleep. A CPAP machine includes a mask that fits over just your nose or both your nose and mouth, straps to position the mask on your face, a tube that connects the mask to the machine's motor, a motor that blows air into the tube, an air filter that purifies the air entering your nose or mouth. Some CPAP machines have other features as well, like heated humidifiers and adjustable pressure setting. This is the picture. You can see continuous positive airway pressure. Now let's understand the benefits of CPAP machine. The main benefits of using CPAP machine is that it reduces breathing, improved sleep quality, which may make you feel better rested, reduced snoring, less daytime sleeplessness, improved mood. Long-term benefits of consistent CPAP machine use may include improved blood pressure, reduced risk of cardiovascular disease events like heart attack and stroke, improved memory and thinking abilities, cognitive function. Again, as you know, every exercise or everything have some side effects. So, side effects of using CPAP machine. Side effects of CPAP treatment may include congestion, runny nose, dry mouth, nosebleed. These side effects typically happen due to cold, dry air. Using a heated humidifier can often help. CPAP mask may cause skin irritation or redness, but using the right size mask and padding can minimize these issues. Talk to your healthcare provider if you are having bothersome side effects. There are some more pictures of continuous positive airway pressure. Come to the conclusion. In conclusion, it is a neurodevelopmental competency-based therapy approach primarily used to help recover patients from past abuse and neglect. Understanding the neurobiology connected to trauma and development is essential to air therapy, fresh air being the essential component of excellent health. One can benefit from air treatment incorporated into the air routine. Everyone must take an air bath once a day for at least 20 minutes. And when paired with morning cold rub and exercises, the benefits are manifolds. It is an old method of achieving self-realization too. There are some references. I hope you can learn lot of things from this presentation, and I hope you will continue this air therapy and take benefits from this presentation. Thank you so much.